Hi, it's Alcatel and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Alcatel 1B. So first, scroll from the top, hit the Bluetooth and hold to open the Bluetooth settings, then disable the Bluetooth and enable it back. Then click this gear next to your connected device and hit forget and forget device. After that, pair new device and try pairing it again. Click pair. If nothing worked, then just try restarting your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.